I will tell you something so real and raw that if you use this to your advantage, you will either get married very quick, okay, or you will traumatize him. This is the one thing that will trigger him in love because he experienced it in his childhood. Don't hate the messenger, okay? This is his mother wound based on his Venus sign. Make your man obsessed with you, select his Venus sign in my bio. Girl, people are loving their Venus seduction playbooks, okay? I'm Ina, your Venus astrology seduction expert. We go over bedroom positions, the secret kings, what type of woman he's actually attracted to, and so much more in depth. A Scorpio Venus man, he has a deep fear of being betrayed, okay? Of not feeling safe emotionally. He craves loyalty, honesty, a connection that actually feels so consuming, okay? All or nothing. And growing up, he probably had a very hard time around themes around building trust. Being in a consistent, loving relationship, he experienced a lot of ups and downs, and he may never experienced emotional depth. This is why he's craving it so much. Probably grew up thinking love was a battle, okay, because of what he actually saw growing up. It's sad, but it's the truth. Aries Venus man, he has a deep fear of not being chosen, or the fact that he literally has to fight in order to be loved. He craves passion, he craves excitement, and what he craves the most is a partner that actually believes in him, a cheerleader, someone that will not leave his side, someone that is very proud of him. And growing up, he probably felt like he had to be way too independent in a very young age. And in order to get attention, he probably had to prove his worth as a child. It's so sad. And this is why he may have learned that love was something that you have to earn, to chase, to win. Cancer Venus man, he has a deep fear around being forgotten, okay? I'm emotionally unavailable people, being abandoned, that's a big one, okay? He craves a love that actually feels like home, safe to be around, nurturing, unconditional. Growing up, he probably felt like he was not being seen emotionally, okay? His needs weren't met, like, at all. He used to be the one that had to take care of other people's feelings, okay, even as a child. He probably felt like love was something that he needed to hold on tightly simply because it wasn't safe, okay? And losing someone felt incredibly painful for him. A Gemini Venus man, okay, so he has a deep fear about not being understood. He craves mental connection, okay, someone that actually values his thoughts, someone that actually listens, okay, that's a big one, because these men usually never actually took their time to truly listen to them, to truly consider their thoughts, his emotions, okay? Whatever he was feeling, it wasn't being taken seriously growing up. And he may have learned that love actually comes from attention. He also may have felt like he needed to be funny or extremely outgoing and social in order to receive some kind of attention and to be loved. Aquarius Venus man, okay, so this man has a deep fear and wound around opening up, because as a child he was never allowed to truly be himself. He craves a lover that is not controlling or judgmental, a lover that simply allows him to be whoever he is, his weird little self. And growing up, he has felt so different, okay, so misunderstood. His parents probably set up expectations for him that he could never meet. And he has learned that love comes from pretending to be something, okay? From protecting his individuality, from actually keeping parts hidden, okay? He kept himself hidden for a very good reason, because he was rejected a lot.